Jewel is helping me out with the live stream, and as you can see, there's a lot of wires and cables and stuff, but I wanted to show you how you could connect just your simple setup. So Jewel is singing and playing guitar. So what we have here is the SM58 for her vocals, and then she's just plugged in directly from the guitar into this mixer board. So this is the PV6. I like this mixer because it has the EQ, the reverbs, and a global compressor here. And it has a lot of outputs. Specifically, the one in back is a USB out. So everything that you're getting from this mixer board, what you're hearing, is going out into my iPhone, which I'm going to be streaming. So there's the long USB printer cable, which is right here. We have the adapter, which is USB, and this adapter also allows your device to be charged at the same time. So that's there. And what we want to do is we want to do a quick sound check to see if everything sounds good. So basically the easiest situation is this. Just go in the camera app and go to video, and we're going to have Jewel play a little bit. And then we're going to listen to see how it sounds, and then we'll play it back and see what we got.
It's nice to close your eyes for just one moment, to take a breath of air and then just hold it, and notice how the love can heal everything that's broken. Cool water on my skin, and I begin again. Take some time, stop trying to control, and watch the world around you like a flower that's unfolding right before your eyes.
So all we're doing today is going live in the Facebook app. So all you have to do is click Facebook, click on your profile, and go down and press live video. And that's it. And just do it like that and you're all set to go. So that's what I'm doing with Jewel for today.
When I was younger and I didn't know better, living with these wolves, hurting for pleasure, some kind of angel took me out of the jungle.
I wanted to show you the mixer board I'm using and how I set things up with live streaming Jewel on Facebook Live, and also the other outputs you can use on your mixer board and this PV mixer if you have one. So the first thing I was able to do is get the output from this mixer. So let's review this. I'm using a USB printer cable. As you can notice, it has the square end on the other end of the cable here. So all I'm basically doing is getting this mixer board and plugging it in here in the USB out, and I'm picking my adapter. This is a USB camera adapter, and you could also charge your iPhone or your device at the same time while you're bringing in the audio. So all it is just basically this. Pretty easy, right? So you're probably wondering, Michael, my mixer board doesn't have a USB out. Well, in that case, there's a couple other devices you can use that are really cheap. This is the Sabrent audio adapter, and it has one mono input, which is this input right here. It's a mini input, and also a headphone out to monitor your live stream. So this is a great device. I think it's $7 or $8 on Amazon. And so in this case, if your mixer board only has a 1/4 inch output, now this particular mixer has some outputs here that are RCA. That's very doable, that's really easy. But if you had a main out, like the 1/4 inch here, you could use that. So I have this cable. It's a stereo breakout cable by Hosa. And as you could see, this style has red for right and black for left. It's a stereo and it sums it to mono and it comes out as an 1/8 inch. So all I would do basically is this. Plug that in and then get this. I'm not sure if you could see it that well, but I'm plugging the input right there. And now this could go into my camera adapter. And then you'll get mono audio into your stream. Keep in mind that the USB out I was using got stereo out, but I really didn't have anything pan to stereo when I was working with Jules. So whatever works for your situation, this is by far a very cheap way to get audio out of your mixer. Okay, but you're like, Michael, well, I don't have those outputs available because I'm using them for my headphones or my main speaker out on my gig. Well, here's something else you could do. If your mixer has an alternate output like a RCA output like this section here, it's labeled control room on my mixer, you could just use the same thing. Basically, all I have is an RCA to Mini. And these you could find anywhere. You probably got a couple laying around your house. So all you would have to do is just go like this. Just get the, we're going to go for output A, plug that in, and then A-B toggle. I got it on A, and then control room, I'll turn it up. And this is really cool because all you have to do is this, and then you're good. And this goes right into your phone. Bam, perfect. So this is nice because this acts as an independent output on your mixer, particularly for this one, because if you have, say the speaker I was using was my QSC for Joule, I had this level at Unity gain here on my master level, and it was a little quiet for the live stream, but if I use the control room out, I could adjust the output volume independently of the main output to where I'm going to my speaker. So that's a nice function for this mixer board. If you're interested in finding more ways to do this on certain types of mixer boards and also getting audio out from your interface, so the Apollo or the Focusrite, I made a wonderful live stream tutorial video on how to do all this. I think you'll find it really helpful. So check it out in the description below. All you have to do is sign up with your email and you get this wonderful tutorial video I made. So please check that out and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.